In this video, we will go over how to set up your Academy Cohort course for the first day of school. To get started, go to your Academy Cohort course in Canvas. Most likely, it is a blank course shell with no content. Let's first apply the very basic Academy Cohort course template from Canvas Commons. Click on Import from Commons on the right side. This will now open Canvas Commons, and you will notice a new Academy Cohort template. It's titled AUHSD Academy Cohort Template. It should automatically be the first course that comes up when you go into Canvas Commons. Click on the title, and then click on Import Download. You will select your Academy Cohort class. There will be other classes that show up as well in your list, but make sure to select Academy Cohort class and then click on Import into Course. You'll get a confirmation message, and it will tell you that it may take a few minutes for the course changes to happen. Go back to your dashboard and look for the Academy Cohort course on your dashboard. Open this course, and you should see a very simple home page that has been created for you because you imported the course. Automatically, also, 3 things are activated and everything else has been disabled. Home, modules, and Zoom are activated, and all other items are deactivated, meaning students will not see these when they log into your Academy Cohort course. The next thing we'll do is to set up our first Zoom meeting for the Academy Cohort. Click on the Zoom link. If the overlay comes up, click on the arrow to hide it, and we're going to schedule a new meeting inside Zoom. Click on Schedule a New Meeting button and give it a title. I'm going to call it Mr. Brar's Academy Cohort Course Meeting. And because I plan on using this exact same Zoom meeting over and over again, I'm going to set it up as a recurring meeting that has no set time so that I can come back to it and restart it anytime. So in the time zone, right below time zone, there is a button for recurring meeting. And then from the drop down for recurrence, I'm going to select that it has no fixed time. All other Zoom settings should be the same as we've done before. We will always enable a waiting room, so students have to wait before I let them into my Zoom meeting. I'm going to turn on the camera for both the host and the participants. Please note that both the host and the participants can turn their camera off once they are inside the Zoom meeting. For audio, leave both, and I'm going to mute the participants upon entry so that students are not speaking over one another. Automatically, when they join in, they will be muted. Of course, they can unmute themselves, and I can unmute them when they join in as well. Click on Save, and it will give me a confirmation that the Zoom meeting has been created, and it will also show a URL. To check, I can always click on Zoom, and it will show me my meeting has been scheduled. I can come inside my course in Canvas and click on Zoom and click on the Start button to start my Zoom meeting. When students log in, they only see one button to join the meeting. This is also the meeting that I'm going to email my students about. So I click on the meeting title, and the Zoom meeting link is what I'm going to include in my email message to students on Monday. You can right-click on this and copy link location, or you can highlight this URL and click Command-C or Control-C to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to my home. The final step for me to make sure that my Academy course is ready to go is I'm going to hit the Publish button before the first day of school, before Tuesday morning. When I hit Publish, any student who logs into Canvas will be able to see my course, and this is what they will see. they will see a welcome screen. Under modules, the only thing they will see is that welcome to 2021 school year page, which is our home page, and they will see a Zoom meeting link to my very first Academy Cohort class meeting and a join link. This concludes how to set up your Academy Cohort course for the first day of school. Thank you.